This is the iPhone XS Max, and we're going to unbox it. It starts at $10.99, but we have the 512 gigabyte version to review, which costs $1,449. That's a lot of money. Let's see what's inside. The packaging, very similar to other iPhones. Designed by Apple in California. This is where all the little bits of paperwork are. Hello. They say there's no instruction manual for an iPhone, but there is. This is all the basic interactions you do with the Face ID equipped iPhones. SIM card tool. By the way, the new iPhones support an eSIM as well as a nano SIM, so you could have two SIM cards at once. Your fine print. I'll read that later. And two stickers, as always, if you'd like some more stickers to add to your Apple collection. Here is the XS Max in gold. .5-inch screen. Size, roughly about an iPhone 8 Plus in terms of hand feel. The finish here, stainless steel. And glass on the back. Apple says that the glass is supposed to be more durable. The phone is now a little more water resistant, 2 meters for 30 minutes, IP68. Let's take off that backing. Very satisfying. And the phone looks on the back kind of like an 8 Plus. On the front, kind of like an iPhone X. Inside, same 5-watt iPhone charger that there has been for a long time. No larger fast brick. And as far as fast AirPower charging, who knows? That has not been announced yet. Also included, earpods, lightning headphones, but no 3.5mm headphone adapter anymore. You have to buy that separately. For a phone that costs over $1,000, would have been nice to throw that in. And last but not least, the lightning cable. These phones still have lightning cables for now. So that's what's in the iPhone XS Max. Pretty minimal packaging and pretty minimal contents inside. Let's turn it on. Apple also gave us an iPhone XS Max leather case in blue to try out. Let's open this up carefully. That's how you open up an iPhone case box. Let's get that on. And now, the most expensive iPhone that I've ever seen in my life is a little better protected. This is the XS Max, and this is the littler XS. This one has a 5.8-inch screen, and this one has a 6.5-inch screen. For more all about the iPhone XS, Check out my review at CNET.